Hi folks, Alan Mandick, the HotRodHippie here, coming to you from SEMA 2018. I'm standing here at the Flexzilla booth checking out their new compressor line. I came over to see this because they claim it's a very quiet compressor. Now I'm standing next to it while it's running, and I'm filming with it without having to ask them to turn the thing off. I cannot believe how quiet this thing is compared to other compressors on the market. They claimed it was quiet, and it absolutely is. They don't give a decibel rating on this thing because, well, they don't feel that there's really a standard for decibel ratings, so it didn't make sense to throw out a number that might be different in an echo chamber, different in an anechoic chamber. Doesn't really make sense. The other ones are throwing out numbers without actually having a standard. This thing, it's quiet. That's what you need to know. This one right here runs on single-phase power, and it's only $4,800 with a 120-gallon tank. That is half the price of an even low-end screw-type compressor. The only thing loud about this thing is the color. You might have to get over that or paint it if you don't like that, but personally, hey, you're spending money on a good piece of equipment, you might as well have it stand out. The way they get this thing to run quietly is they have a low RPM motor running it. It's designed with a larger displacement pump on it to go ahead and create that high frequency, knock that down, and bring it to a quieter level. Then for the low frequency noises, they have a silencer box on the back of it to dampen the sound from that end. This version right here with the 120-gallon tank and the 10-horse motor is rated at 39 CFM. I really like the products from the folks at Flexzilla. I use their whip hoses, I use their air hoses. I really like them. I recommend them highly. I definitely think this is an air compressor to check out if you're in the market for a new one. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this thing? I mean, it's not silent, it's definitely not, but it is the quietest compressor I've ever stood next to. Compressors usually drive me nuts, not this one. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more content like this from SEMA 2018 all week long.